Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this volleyball rebounder. First of all, the color is super cute. It is like hot pink and black. This thing is all metal, so you can leave this outside. Kids can go out and play, adults can play, and it's completely adjustable. With these nice areas here, you can adjust the angle of what the rebounder is. So we're gonna put this together. It does come with a nice carrying case, so if you did want to take this with you to travel or just store it for a little while, you've got a nice place to put that. And it has an area for a target, so whenever you are playing, you can have this set up for a target. So let's get it put together. So all of this just clicks right into place, super easy. They've got instructions that number all of them out. And I absolutely love how every one of these has a really clear labeled number on here. So it makes it nice and easy. So there's really only one way it can go in. That makes installation a breeze. We've got the front part done. Now the back, the cute little pink part, we're just simply going to snap all those pieces into place as well. And then we will have the entire base. All we have to do is then add in the net to make our entire frame for the rebounder. Simple. So now we've got our net here. And we've got these little elastic bands. We're going to go around and tie all of them onto the actual pole there. So we'll have a nice taunt net. And it also does come with these poles here to hold it into the ground. So if you were worried about it falling over or anything, you can easily just stake this into the ground over top of these areas to make it just a little bit more stable. So we're gonna use these bungee straps, and I'm just gonna get all four corners first. And then we'll intermittently go in and get the rest of them. And all you do is just simply bring it across and then thread it through just like that. I got this all put together. This is so easy to put together. I love all of the pink. It does have little feet so that you can put on there. So if you did have this in a gym or something, so this metal can easily just move around. You just get two for the front, two for the back that just snap right on. These you just select wherever you want to put them. And then you have this is an optional thing, so you can shape this and put it wherever you want. Now it does have the adjustable sides that you can easily just untwist this, and twist it around, and then this will angle into all of these different areas, whether you're setting or spiking or anything. You can move this around real easily. And it's about 6.5 by around 3.5 foot in diameter and works great. The otter's gonna show you just how to use it. So this is really a great exercise that you can use, great for practicing. And I love that you can move it all around, be one play that you can use for yourself or playing with a lot of other people on a team to get your practice in.